All right. And before we give out the scholarships, one special thing. Can I have Courtney Stone come to the field? We've got a special who to give these to. Great submissions. An essay accompanied every one of these submissions. This explains the majority of it in alliances of 3, and you guys can cue that when you're ready.
To join their alliance. The remaining of select.
So that your mentors can see what was written about them. Did just that. Is their strongest asset. Above many titles. Teams need to have a representative to represent them in alliance selection because all 32. Still discussing. Okay, how about we start queuing? All right, we're going to call our teams out. Hopefully we got representatives in the room. All teams need to have a representative to represent them in alliance selection because all 32 teams are playing. You saw the overview. So no? Still discussing. Okay, how about we start queuing the number 8 alliance out? Okay, we're going to start with number 8 then. Number 1 is still in deliberation. How about that? All right. So we're going to start with number 8 over here. In our number 8 position with a ranking score of 2.33, we have team number 2337, the Engine Nerds. Joining them on the field in the 7th position, also with a 2.33 ranking score, let's hear for team 33, the Killer Bees. In our number 6 position, our host, 2834. That's the Bionic Blackhawks from Bloomfield Hills High School. All right, in our number 5 position, we have the legendary Team 51, the Wings of Fire. All right, moving across the field to number 4. In the 4th position with a ranking score of 2.5, let's hear it for the Great Leviathans, 1322. All right, moving on to number 3 with a ranking score of 2.66 and a match score of 69.6. Let's hear it for Team 302. All right, in our number 2 position, with a ranking score of 2.66 and a match points of 79.1, let's hear for Team 503, the Frog Force. All right, and our number 1 seed after 6 rounds of qualifying with a ranking score of 2.83, match points of 71. Let's hear it for Team 3414, the Hackbots from Farmington Hills. All right, so as described in the video, we will start with the number 1 seed. They can pick anyone from the audience to be with them. If that member is on the field, they have the right to decline and form their own alliance, but then they can no longer be picked. We are going to go pick 1 through 8. If anyone on the field is picked, we will move 9, 10, etc. onto the field to fill those spots. After we get to 8, then we will reverse, do the serpentine draft, go back from 8 to 1, and then we will reverse again and go from 1 to 8 again. So we're taking all 32 teams. So starting off with team 3414, who would you like to be the number 1 pick to join you on the number 1 alliance here today?
On behalf of the 3414 Hackbots and all of our sponsors, I humbly ask that Team 33, the Killer Bees, join us in our alliance.
All right, team 33 is over here. So 33 has the right to accept or decline. So 33, what is your answer?
On behalf of Team 33, we respectfully decline.
Ooh, respectfully decline. That is their right to do. Just for awareness, that means Team 33 can no longer be selected by another team and must be a captain. So we will move. Okay, so we will now move to your next choice. Who would you like to choose to join you on the number 1 alliance?
On behalf of the 3414 Hackbots and all of our sponsors, I humbly request that Team 503 Frog Force join us in our alliance.
Team 503, same rules. You can accept or you can decline. What is your response?
We respectfully decline.
All right. Who is your next response?
On behalf of the 3414 Hackbots and all of our sponsors, I humbly request that Team 2337, the Engine Nerds, join us in our alliance.
The Engine Nerds, they're currently in the number 8 position. They can accept or they can decline 2337. What is your response?
On behalf of Team 2337, we respectfully decline.
They respectfully decline. Everybody wants to be their own captain today. All right. Going on to the 4th round selection for the Hackbots. This is what makes the playoffs interesting, fans. This will be fun. Who is your next selection?
I think there's someone.
What's that?
Hey guys, can you not do that so much? That's very discouraging to the lovely lady that is down here. And we're supposed to be uplifting, but every time you goes, ooh, that's not very nice. Thank you.
It is a sanctioned part of the game and the rules, and no one is doing anything malicious. So to make that clear, this is part of the rules as they are constructed and is perfectly allowable and expected in some situations. But who is your 4th choice?
On behalf of Team 3414, the Hackbots, and all of our sponsors, I humbly request that Team 302, the Dragons, join us in our alliance.
All right, Team 302. What is your response?
On behalf of Team 302 and all of our sponsors, we graciously decline.
All right, they graciously decline. Moving on. But this will be interesting because none of these other teams can pick each other. So maybe this is, an excellent strategy. Who is your next selection?
On behalf of Team 3414, the Hackbots, and all of our sponsors, I humbly request that Team 51, Wings of Fire, joins us in our alliance.
Team 51. Hall of Fame team Wings of Fire, currently the number 5 seed. Wings of Fire, what is your response?
On behalf of Team 51 and all our sponsors, we decline.
They declined. All right. We'll keep going. Team Hackbots 3414, who is your next selection?
On behalf of Team 3414 and all of our sponsors, I humbly request that Team 226, the Hammerheads, joins us in our alliance.
Team 226, the Hammerheads, coming out. Now, 226 is not in the top 8, so if they decline, they are essentially agreeing to exit the tournament? 226, what is your response?
On behalf of Team 226 and all of our sponsors, we gratefully accept.
All right. You see that? Okay. Now, to comment on that, for all of you newbies to first, you might think, oh, yeah, that's, Marjorie was saying that's maybe disgraceful. That's a tactically intelligent thing to do for the number one seed. They think, it's a short tournament. There's a limited number of qualifying samples. If they think maybe if some of these other teams get together, they could beat them, they've just prevented that. So it's a very intelligent thing to do. So we're going to move on to our number 2 seed, Team 503. Team 503, who would you like to join you on the number 2 alliance?
We would love to invite Team 2834 to hop on our alliance.
2834, the host team, the Bionic Blackhawks. They were in the number 6 alliance. They have not previously been selected and declined. Bionic Blackhawks, would you like to join the number 2 alliance?
On behalf of Team 2834 and all of our sponsors, we gratefully accept.
They gratefully accept. Okay. Moving on to Team 302, the Lake Orion Dragons. Oh, sorry. What we're going to do first is we're going to ratchet up. Team 33, you now move up to the number 6 position. Engineers, you move up to the number 7 position. Taking the field, we have Team 5712, Gray Matter, moving up into our number 8 seed. We're going to move back over to our number 3 captain from Lake Orion. Who is your first selection?
On behalf of Team 302 and all of our sponsors, we would love if Team 5712 would come and fly with us.
Team Gray Matter in the number 8 captain position. Again, you can accept or you can decline. What is your response?
On behalf of Team 5712 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
All right, they graciously accept. 3 pairs formed. Now we have to move into the number 8 position. Taking the field now as the number 8 rank is 910, the Foley Freeze from Bishop Foley High School. Welcome. Okay, moving on to the Great Leviathans from Fenton. You are now the number 4 captain. 1 through 3 have been selected. Who is your first choice to join you on the number 4 alliance?
On behalf of Team 1322 and all of our sponsors, we'd like to invite 1506.
1506, Metal Muscle from Flint. All right, Metal Muscle taking the field. What is your response?
On behalf of Team 1506 and all of our grateful and gracious sponsors, we gratefully accept.
They gratefully accept. That's the most grateful and gracious and I've had in one exchange. All right, moving on to the Wings of Fire, our number 5 captain. Who would you like to join you on the number 5 alliance?
On behalf of Team 51 and all our sponsors, we would like Team 3538.
3538, that is the Avondale Robo Jackets coming. All right, the Robo Jackets taking the field. Robo Jackets, what is your response? Do you want to be on the number 5 alliance?
On behalf of Team 3538, we graciously accept.
All right. Moving on to our number 6 captain, the Killer Bees. Who would you like to join you on the number 6 alliance?
On behalf of Team 33, we would like to invite Team 1023 to do business with us.
All right, 1023, the Bedford Express from Temperance, Michigan. Come on down. Bedford, 20 years on track. What do you say? You want to join the number 6 alliance?
On behalf of Team 1023 and all our sponsors, we graciously accept.
All right, you can put on the cape there. All right. Moving on, Engine Nerds, our number 7 captain. Who would you like to join you on the number 7 alliance?
On behalf of Team 2337 and all of our sponsors, we would like to request the assistance of Team 910.
910, our number 8 captain. They can accept or they can decline. 910, would you like to join the number 7 alliance?
On behalf of Team 910, the Foley Freeze, we would love to chill with you.
All right, they would love to chill. You can put on your number 7. All right, and coming out to take the field is Team 201, the Feds, who are now our number 8 captain. Our number 8 captain is going to get 2 back-to-back picks here in just a moment, so she better have her list in order. Who is your first choice to join you on this number 8 alliance?
Can I ask that somebody send me a text message of who would be the best one?
All right, no pressure, but it is good to have the scouting data from your scouts, right?
Yes.
All right. She desperately needs the numbers of 2 teams because she has to make 2 back-to-back picks. I see the coaches pointing, various people typing, signals going all the way to geosynchronous orbit and back down here just to get to her phone 20 feet away. Technology is a miraculous thing, isn't it? He's going to run over here and whisper in your ear, I think, that we're going to go and do it the old-fashioned way. All right, we'll allow it. Do 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 do. No. All right, we have to move this along. Okay. All right, she's ready. Okay, who is your first selection?
On behalf of Team 201, the Feds, GM, and all of our gracious sponsors, we would like to invite Team 469 to join our agency.
All right, 469, 2014 World Champion, 469, the Las Guerrillas. Taking the field, would you like to join the number 8 alliance?
On behalf of Team 469 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Awesome. All right, look at that. Hugs and everything. All right, now you get to do it again. Team 201, Team 469. Who would you like to join you as the 3rd member of this number 8 alliance?
On behalf of Team 201, the Feds, GM, and all of our sponsors, we would like to invite our Rochester friends, Team 5436.
5436, the Cybercats from Rochester Stony Creek High School. Come on down. Cybercats, do you want to join the number 8 alliance?
On behalf of Team 5436 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Awesome. All right, great. Okay, moving on. Foley Freeze, Engineers, number 7 alliance. Who do you want to be the 3rd member of this number 7 alliance?
On behalf of Team 2337 and 910, we would like to request the assistance of Team 2832.
2832, the Livonia Warriors, the Athena Warriors, coming out here today. All right, Athena Warriors, would you like to join the number 7 alliance?
On behalf of Team 2832, Livonia Public Schools, Ishin Corporation, and all of our sponsors, we would love to fly with you.
I would love to fly with you. That's great. Okay, moving upstream, number 6 alliance, Killer Bees, Bedford Express. Who would you like to join you on the number 6 alliance?
On behalf of Team 33, we'd like to invite 3641 to join our hive.
3641, the Flying Toasters from South Lyon, Michigan. Come on down. All right, Toasters, would you like to join this number 6 alliance?
On behalf of Team 3641, we would love to toast a competition with you.
All right. Welcome to the number 6 alliance. Okay, moving on. We've got Team 51, Wings of Fire, Team 3538, Robo Jackets. Who would you like to join you on the number 5 alliance?
On behalf of Team 51
and 3538,
we would like to have 2960.
2960, Automation Nation from Birmingham, Michigan, and Birmingham High School. Welcome to the number 5 alliance. All right. Would you like to join the number 5 alliance?
On behalf of Birmingham Public Schools and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
Graciously accept. All right. Moving on to the number 4 alliance. We've got Metal Muscle and the Great Leviathans. Great Leviathans, who do you want to be the second pick to join this number 4 alliance with you?
On behalf of Team 1322
and 1506,
we would like to invite Team 245 to join us.
245, the Atom Bots from Rochester Adams High School in Rochester, Michigan. Atom Bots, would you like to join this number 4 alliance?
On behalf of Team 245, we graciously accept.
All right, that's good. Okay, moving on to number 3. We've got the Lake Orion Dragons and Hemlock's Gray Matter. Who would you like to join you on this number 3 alliance?
On behalf of Team 302
and Team 5712,
we would like to invite 3539 to come apply.
3539! That is the Biting Bulldogs from Romeo. Welcome to the playoffs.
On behalf of Team 3539, GM, Printbed, and all of our gracious sponsors, we gratefully accept.
All right. Okay, moving up to number 2. In number 2, we have our host, the Bionic Blackhawks. All right. And the Frogs. And there's texting going on. There's texting. All right. Frog Force, are you ready? Just give me a nod. All right, and for all you football fans, U of M has prevailed. Final score 41-17. Go Wolverines. All right, looks like we're ready. Frog Force, Blackhawks, who would you like to join the number 2 alliance with you?
We would love to invite Team 2137 to join our alliance.
2137, that is the Oxford Robocats from Oxford High School in Oxford, Michigan. All right, Robocast, do you want to join the number 2 alliance?
On behalf of Team 2137 and our sponsors, we graciously accept.
All right, they graciously accept. Okay, moving on. Back to our number 1 alliance. We've got the Hackbots. We've got the Hammerheads. Who do you want to join with you on this number 1 alliance?
On behalf of the 3414 Hackbots, we'd like a little more time.
Oh, they'd like a little more time. Okay, we get some Mario music again, some 8-bit digitized music. Yeah, we're going to need a number here in a second. All right. You guys ready? I'm ready. I know it's a big decision. But this is why we have scouts and all that stuff. Okay, I'm going to need a number, ladies. You got a number for me? All right. Looks like they're ready to pick the first one. They get to do 2 in a row, so that's a lot of the deliberation here. Who do you want you to join you on the number 1 alliance?
On behalf of our alliance, we would like to invite Team 68, Trucktown Thunder, to join our alliance.
All right, Trucktown Thunder. You know they're great. Team 68, come on down. Trucktown Thunder, you want to join this number 1 alliance?
On behalf of Team 68 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
All right, 1 down, 1 to go. Okay. All right, number 1 alliance again. Who would you like to join you on this number 1 squad of 4?
We would like to invite Team 8728, the Argonauts, to our alliance.
Team 8728, the Troy Argonauts. All right, welcome to the number 1 alliance. Do you want to join the number 1 alliance?
On behalf of Team 8728, we graciously accept.
All right. Great job. All right, moving on to the number 2 alliance. We got 1 alliance formed, 7 to go. Who would you like for your 4th pick on your alliance?
We would happily like to invite Team 1322 to join our alliance.
1322, unfortunately, they are down over here as the number 4 captain. So that's okay. All right. We're going to check our numbers, check our facts. Let's see. Back there we got Brighton Techno Dogs, Shock and Awesome, 4810. Who do I got over there? Parkview. I can't see. Oh, they're all on the board. Yeah, of course we can check. They're up there. 5577 and 7589. All right, you ready? You look like you're ready. You look like you got something to say. Who do you want to join the number 2 alliance with you?
We would like to invite Team 5577 to join our alliance.
All right, Team 5577 from Detroit, Michigan. Come on down. All right, do you want to join this number 2 alliance?
On behalf of Team 5577 and all of our sponsors, we gratefully accept.
All right, welcome to the team. All right, moving on to the number 3 alliance. Number 3 captain, who do you want to be the 4th member of your number 3 alliance?
On behalf of Team 302,
Team 5712,
and 3539.
we would like to invite Team 3322.
3322 from Ann Arbor Skyline High School. All right, it's the Eagle Imperium, right? Come on down.
On behalf of Team 3322 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
All right, they graciously accept. 3 alliances formed. We're moving on to the number 4 captain, Great Leviathans from Fenton. Who would you like to join you on this number 4 alliance?
On behalf of Team 1322,
1506,
245.
we'd like to invite 4961 to join us.
Shock and Awesome from Almont. Come on down. All right. Shock and Awesome, do you want to join the number 4 alliance?
On behalf of Team 4961, we gratefully accept.
Gratefully accept. Okay, 4 down, 4 to go. All right, moving on. We got Wings of Fire, Jackets, Automation Nation. Who do you want you to join you on this number 5 alliance?
3707.
3707, the Brighton Techno Dogs. Come on down. All right, Brighton Techno Dogs, do you want to join this number 5 alliance?
On behalf of Team 3707 and all of our sponsors, we gratefully accept.
All right, they gratefully accept. Okay, moving on. Killer Bees, Bedford Express, Flying Toasters. Who would you like to join you on this number 6 alliance?
On behalf of Team 33, we would like to invite Team 4810 to buzz on to victory with us.
4810, I Am Robot. Come on down. All right, I Am Robot. Would you like to join this number 6 alliance?
On behalf of Team 4810 and all of our sponsors, we graciously accept.
All right, you graciously accept. Welcome. Okay, moving on to number 7. We've got Engineers, Foley Freeze, and Livonia Warriors. All right, so you guys get to pick. Who would you like to join you on this number 7 alliance?
On behalf of Team 2337,
910,
2832, we would like to request the assistance of Team 7598.
7598 from Wixom. All right, welcome to the playoffs. Would you like to join the number 7 alliance?
On behalf of Team 7598, all of our sponsors and school, we graciously accept.
All right. Okay, moving on. We know it's a formality, but we're going to do it anyway. 201, Las Gorillas and Cybercats. Who do you want to join you as the final member of the number 8 alliance?
On behalf of Team 201,
Team 469, 5436.
we would like to invite Team 8826.
All right, from Sterling Heights, Michigan, and Parkview Christian School. Come on down. Parkview, would you like to join the number 8 alliance?
On behalf of Team 8826, we gratefully accept your offer.
Awesome. All right, great. These are your alliances. So, ladies, look directly across from you. That is the group that you will be playing first. And to recap the rules, you have to play, every member of your alliance of 4 must play at least once. So if you lose in the first round, you must substitute one of your members for the member who stood out. Captains are going to meet with the head refs. So if you're wearing the jersey, please converge over here, and then we're going to get the Alliance playoffs started ASAP. Great job, everybody. Welcome to the playoffs.